Hello everyone and welcome to this channel's second video, how to draw a Christmas tree. Grab your pencil and paper and let's get straight into it. Start off by marking out the trunk of the Christmas tree, by repeatedly dragging your pencil up and down the page in a straight line. Then, very lightly, sketch out your Christmas tree in the shape of a triangle, and don't forget about adding the floor, or as in my case, the ground beneath it. The next step is to split the triangle into equally sized parts. As you fill in the levels of the tree like I'm doing above, make sure that they grow proportionately wider and wider on each side as you're near the bottom of the tree. Make sure to remove any small errors before you move on, and you should be left with a spiky but symmetrical triangle-shaped Christmas tree. Once you've done with that, grab your eraser and erase all of your messy outlines before moving on to working on the branches. As you draw them on, try to follow the tree's natural directions. No branches should be pointing straight down. The ones on the right should be curved out to the right, and the ones on the left, yeah, you get the drift. Once you're finished with that and filled in the trunk, we can move on to shading. The most important thing about shading is to remember where your light source is. Since my light source is placed directly above my tree, that means that the light will only hit the tips of my branches. The closer I come to the trunk, the darker it should be. If you're looking for a more realistic look, make sure to shade in your trunk a bit darker than the tree itself. As we move on to drawing the star of this tree, I have to confess that drawing stars is not what I'm known for. It is by no means my strong suit, and as you'll see here, I actually struggled a lot with this one. But after looking up some reference images of Christmas stars, I finally found the shape that I was happy with. And remember that failure is necessary for improving our skills, and it's totally fine. Okay everyone, there we are, our finished tree. So now the only thing that remains is to add on all of the decorations, and the best way to do that is just to oh god, sorry about that. Where was I? Oh, right, the decorations. Oh, okay. It seems like the sneeze did all the work itself, so I guess the best advice I could give you is just to give your drawing a good sneeze, and the decorations should appear all by themselves. Okay, obviously I'm joking, but I'm very sorry this is all I have to show you since my whole footage of me putting all the decorations on was lost as my computer did an emergency shutdown. I'm very sorry about how all this turned out, but I hope that you found this tutorial helpful nonetheless. I will make sure not to make the same mistake again. And thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you very soon. Take care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye bye.